Hey, I'm Tucker, and in this video, you'll learn how to begin a Pilates mat workout using my simple A, B, C method. Just remember, A, B, C, Pilates and me. Now this may be a helpful refresher or the beginning of a great journey for you, so I'm excited to begin. Let's start seated on the mat. Let's begin by considering our alignment. So whether I'm on my back, on my stomach, my side, or standing, I'm beginning the workout in a neutral position, meaning the spine is in proper alignment and degree of curvature. So in this position, toes pointed forward, feet fully contacting the mat, in line with the knees, in line with the hips, sitting up nice and tall. And then as I go through my movements, I remain aware of where my body is in space. And now I'll grab the back of my legs and roll on down to my back. And before we move to B, let's double check our alignment. So my toes are pointed forward, feet fully contacting the mat, in line with my knees, in line with my hips. I'm in neutral spine, so I'm not actively pressing my lower back into the mat, trying to create a flat spine, but allowing for the natural curve, which is where it's at its strongest. My arms are down at my side, shoulders lightly pressing into the mat, chin very slightly tucked, head resting gently, nose pointed up to the ceiling. Let's bring one hand onto our belly, one hand onto our chest, and take a nice deep breath, inhaling, feeling the chest lift and the belly lift. This is called diaphragmatic breathing and how most of us go through our day. And then exhale, and on the exhale, tighten up the core, make a nice tight flex in the stomach. Think of the feeling of blowing up a balloon, how you just flex everything in the midsection nice and tight, and let's keep that engagement. So now on the next inhale, we're not going to allow the stomach and chest to rise, but instead we're going to expand the side and back ribs. And this is called posterior lateral breathing or Pilates breathing. And it's very important to be in this style of breathing as we go through our movement, because it'll allow us to maintain a nice steady breath while we keep the core engaged throughout the entirety of the workout, helping to protect our spine as we go through all the different movements. So the midsection stays nice and tight. Try to have no movement in the belly and chest, but instead expanding the side ribs and the back on the inhale. And you may experience a little shallower of breath, a little shorter of breath than you'd be able to have with the big, large belly and chest breaths. Now, two different styles of breathing that are most often used. One would be to exhale on the exertion, or just think of it as exhaling on the hard part of the exercise. So I'm exhaling, coming up, inhaling back down. Another would be to exhale during flexion or when the angle of the joint gets smaller, and then inhale during extension. So you can think of a bicep curl. I'm exhaling during flexion as the joint gets smaller, and then I'm inhaling as the angle of the joint increases. So we're maintaining our posterior lateral breathing throughout the workout, and that'll help to ensure that our core stays engaged. And that brings us to C, core, which is all of the joints, bones, and muscles between the shoulder and pelvis. And it's important because all movement starts at the core, and a strong core helps to protect the spine. And then as we continue our Pilates practice, we train our bodies to use the correct muscles during a movement with the proper sequencing. We learn to isolate individual muscles while coordinating multiple movements simultaneously. So in review, A is for alignment. We begin in neutral spine alignment and focus on proper muscle movement and sequencing. B, breathing. We're using our Pilates breathing and coordinating the breath with the movement. C, core. We're focused on core engagement and strength because it's the foundation of movement. I hope this makes you excited to go further, so the very next step is right here, where we learn the neutral series, which determines if we're ready to move on to more advanced exercises. The Amazon affiliate links for all of my equipment are in the description. If you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you at the neutral series.